This is the remote for the RC wall climber. Here's the different levels, right, left, channel, on, off, the transmitter. Here's where you could, it has an extra charging port. Here it has the battery compartments. It takes 6 AA batteries. I'm gonna pause and have my son play with it. Here's my son playing with the car. Now we're going to do the wall test. The car's on the wall. Next, I'm going to do the ceiling. Okay. As you can tell, that's the ceiling. Even if your ceiling's flat, you could actually do the car in the ceiling. And that's RC Racer wall climber.